So guys, by default when you close your windows, it's not going to ask you for your password. So to change this is pretty easy. There's two steps. So first just go to settings. Select system. Power and battery. Scroll down. Select lid and power button controls. So see if it's plugged in and on battery, you have the option for closing the lid. Set these to sleep. Same for on battery. So next what you want to do, select accounts. Scroll down. Select sign-in options. So see if you've been away once your Windows require you to sign in again. Set to every time. So now when you close your computer, open it back up. Do you see it asks for your PIN? Okay guys, thanks for watching.